A wireless doorbell for the home offers seamless installation without the hassle of wiring, providing security and flexibility for homeowners. Today we're ringing in convenience with our top pick for the best wireless doorbell for your home. For more details and prices, check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Secrui Wireless Doorbell 2 Buttons. First up, let's talk about its modern design. With its clean white finish, this doorbell seamlessly integrates into any home decor, adding a touch of sophistication to your entrance. But what really sets this doorbell apart is its hassle-free installation. No need for complex wiring or specialized tools. You can have it up and running in just a matter of minutes, providing you with instant peace of mind and security. And with its impressive 1,000-foot range, you'll never miss a visitor, whether you're upstairs or in the backyard. That's convenience at its finest. Some users have reported occasional connectivity issues, but overall, the majority have been satisfied with its performance. With its stylish design, simple setup, extensive range, customizable volume, and weatherproof build, it's the ideal upgrade for your home, offering both elegance and protection. Number 2. Aida Lighted Wireless Doorbell. First off, let's talk about its ultra-long range. With a signal that spans up to 1,000 feet, you'll never miss a visitor, whether you're in another room or on a different floor. It's perfect for homes, classrooms, or offices. And speaking of reliability, this doorbell is built to withstand the elements. Rain, snow, or scorching sun, the Aida doorbell is rated IP54 waterproof, ensuring it works flawlessly in any weather condition. With 5 adjustable volume levels reaching up to 110 dB, even seniors can hear it. And for those quiet moments, there's a convenient mute mode that still flashes LED lights, ensuring you never miss a visitor. While a few users noted LED light glitches, most praise its outstanding performance. So, why choose the Aida Lighted Wireless Doorbell? With its extensive signal range, weatherproof build, adjustable chimes, effortless setup, and intelligent memory feature, it offers both style and dependability for any space. Number 3. Aosu Doorbell Camera Wireless. Let's start with the picture quality. With 2K resolution and a wide 166-degree viewing angle, you'll never miss a single detail. Whether it's a visitor at your door or a package on the ground, you'll see it all crystal clear. Plus, say goodbye to false alarms. Thanks to advanced AI algorithms, the Aosu doorbell camera accurately identifies humans in the video, reducing unnecessary alerts caused by other moving objects. But what about signal stability? Aosu has you covered. With a signal-enhanced base station repeater, you'll enjoy a more stable 2.4 GWI-Fi connection, ensuring you're always connected when it matters most. Now, it's worth noting a small downside. While a few users experienced occasional alert delays, most have found it to work well overall. With 2K resolution, free storage, intelligent detection, stable signal, and privacy functions, it's an ideal smart home addition. Number 4. Google Nest Doorbell. The Nest Doorbell can distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, sending you instant alerts through the Google Home app, all without the need for a subscription. With 3 hours of free event video history included, you can always stay informed. Or, opt for a Nest-aware subscription for up to 60 days of event video history. Even if your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, the Nest Doorbell has you covered. It stores up to 1 hour of recorded events, ensuring you never miss a thing. But that's not all. You can talk and listen to visitors at your door from anywhere using the Google Home app. While some users note limitations in capturing wide-angle views due to its tall vertical field of view, many still praise its outstanding performance. Its smart alerts, high-definition video, dependable storage, effortless setup, and seamless communication make it the ideal choice for any modern home. Number 5. Allesin Video Doorbell Camera. Let's start with its crystal-clear 1080p HD resolution. With every detail captured in stunning clarity, you'll never miss a moment at your doorstep. Plus, with the matching chime ringer, communication with visitors is seamless. Installation is a breeze with our wireless doorbell camera. Fully charged and ready to go, it's simple to set up and requires only a 2.4 GWI-Fi connection. And with our cloud storage service offering free recordings and support for up to 128 GB SD cards, your footage is always secure. Rain or shine, our IP65 rated doorbell camera operates flawlessly, ensuring round-the-clock protection. With its high-definition resolution, cloud backup, and night vision, it's an ideal fit for any household. Thanks for joining us as we delve into the world of the best wireless doorbell for your home. Let us know in the comments which one piqued your interest. Don't miss out on future content. Like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling updates. Stay tuned.